Hello and welcome to Accurate Personnel's open house in our Lakeland, Florida location. I'm Associate Director Raina Sestro. We just completed our ribbon cutting here, and we'd like to show you all that we've accomplished with our exciting new remodel of our Lakeland office. So please come inside with me and see what's going on today.
To support the community by offering a variety of employment opportunities, so we are centrally located and always available to provide exceptional services.
I'm Monica Antonio. I'm the Director of Membership at the Chamber of Commerce here in Lakeland. The best way to connect in the community is, honestly, the Chamber is a good start. It's a real great way to start meeting people in the community. We have a lot of opportunities for networking and, like I said, just meeting those members in the community, the members of the Chamber. And at each of those meetings, all the people that are there, they are out in the community as well. So there's just a whole network of people from the Chamber that will be able to network for you.
Accurate is here to connect the community by finding the right people with the right jobs. We have a great team here who prides themselves on partnering with our clients so that we understand every aspect of their business. This relationship allows us to provide the most value with them and become a true partner.
Well, here at Accurate, we're looking forward to the growth and opportunity in this area. Lakeland was recently tabbed as the 4th fastest growing city in the U.S., and we are excited about the impact that Accurate Personnel will have in providing employment opportunities to our community.